Here's how to display your name on your iPhone's lock screen, without needing any apps. First, open your Settings app, and scroll down the menu until you find Focus, then tap to open it. You'll see a few default focus modes like Do Not Disturb, Sleep, and Work. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then select Custom to create your own focus. Now, give your new focus a name. This name is what will actually appear on your iPhone lock screen every time you activate this focus mode, so choose something you'd like to see often. Once you've entered your name, you can customize it further. Tap the icon to choose an emoji or symbol that fits your style, and pick a color that makes it stand out. Take a second to preview how it looks, and when you're satisfied, tap Next, then Customize Focus to save your custom focus. Nice, you've just created the name that'll now show right on your lock screen. Once created, toggle your new focus mode on. Now lock your phone, and look at your lock screen. At the bottom, you'll see your focus name showing up cleanly without any app or widget. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell button if you'd like to get notifications whenever we post a new how-to